enjoying a ride. I highly recommend the e-bike, any bike. If you can ride it, get out and ride it. It's 86 degrees here tonight. It's hot, but it's well worth the ride. It clears your mind, puts you some earbuds in with some worship music, and you're in a much better mind space when you get done than you were when you started, I guarantee it. God is good. What do you think, Mags? Not crazy about your new harness, are you? Well, somebody flipped out last time, so Mama had to buy her a makeshift new harness, keep her in the basket. Everybody's enjoying the Maggie cam. I think several of you missed seeing the actual trails, so I'm trying to do a little bit of both. You'll see a Maggie cam video, hopefully, with each trail cam video that we do, and the audio will be the same probably on both. But sometimes it's more fun watching her and her expressions than it is me, or the trails. Isn't it beautiful out? It's absolutely thrilled me and tickled me to death to have people stop and tell me that they have seen our videos, or they know that I've got an e-bike and that I'm having fun with it. I'm enjoying that too. And if you're out there and you're watching, please drop me a comment, subscribe, like if you want to, but the comments keep me going. And thank you to all those that have stopped me recently and said, hey, I've seen you on your bike, or we passed you the other day, or boy, you look like you're having fun, because all the above is wonderful.